Commando is a long journey. It was when we started in Force, we introduced Vidyut as the main negative part in that film, and then whatever extraordinary talent that I felt in Vidyut, we decided to make Commando. It was a very tough journey, and in that tough journey, I found my most reliable studio with whom I have done most of my films: Waqt, Namaste London, Singh is King, Holiday, and Commando 1, this is Commando 2. My relationship with Reliance and Phantom now started long back, but they were the one who supported my vision.
First feature film as a director, and really very excited. I thank everybody, thank Reliance, Phantom, and Jayanti Bhai, and especially, of course, Vipul. We are, like as he said, we are college friends, and he knows my training in filmmaking, and he knows my capabilities, and I really thank him that he trusted me, that I am not only a TV comedian actor, but I'm capable of a little more than that. And I'm really excited, and I hope you all like the trailer.
Well, thank you, Vipul sir and Devin sir, for trusting me with this. When I auditioned for this role, I was very excited because it's quite a crazy role, and it's very mad and sort of like how I am in real life. And I'm glad that Devin sir thought that I could pull this off, and I could look like Bhavna Reddy and speak in the Hyderabadi accent. And Chiruda, thank you for making me look so nice. Yeah, I just saw the trailer. Thank you so much. I can't see you, but thank you, and thank you all of you. And this film has been really lots of fun. I mean, the main action Vidyut's doing, but now I think with all the training that France has given us in real life, if anyone chedofies me now, I am all ready to beat them up, I think. And I have 2 packs right now, which by release, if I don't eat too much sev puri, will become 4, maybe.
This film is very special to us because of the vision that Vipul sir had, and the seeds that Devin sir has sown. Beyond that, it's a very beautiful film for me also because I shared the screen space with 2 of my very dear friends right now. I can say, Vidyut, I've known you for years, and you are pretty much a little less crazier than I, but I enjoyed working with him as well. And this beautiful, hot girl, hello. So thank you all of you for coming over and giving us opportunity to show you what we are capable of. And I am sure you guys have loved the trailer, and I'm sure you will love the film as well. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. And this guy here, ये कहूँगा कि मैं छोटे बचपन से देख रहा हूँ तो बुरा ना माने. He still looks very young, but जो जीता वही सिकंदर, I'll never forget, and him as an actor also. But as a director, he was superb. One of the coolest guy I've ever worked with. Gives you the freedom, get the best out of you. So thank you, Devan sir. And I had this lovely team: Freddy, Ada, Vidyut, and Isha. Really had a great time working with them. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Everybody over here who is present right now, I have to thank them because everybody is very important. Ritesh, thank you for Force, the way you wrote it. But the most important person for me is Vipul Shah, because he's the man who saw what I had a little bit of. And he will keep giving me chances, I know it, and I will be there for him whenever he needs me. And everybody over here, thank you very much. And I'll personally call you up later after this, and thank you. And thank you for being here.
I have been feeling that I am a versatile actor, but then I was tempt as a comedian more. And similarly, my image is as a director in television is of more of a comic director of a comedy serial or something like that. But that's why I thank Vipul from the bottom of my heart that he knows me from ages, and he knows my inner talent, and he knows perhaps a little more than what I know of myself. Like, he knows the training that I've gone through, the filmmaking training or whatever abroad, and my inner talent he must be very sure of, that he approached me for this film.
Yeah, it's not difficult at all because I don't think like an ordinary action guy. And what you see in Indian cinema or internationally, in my opinion, is mediocre. I'm sorry to say it, but it is. So when we did Commando 1, there was the first time in India we did not use cables, there was no stunt doubles, and there was phenomenal action. And Commando 2 में जब हम लोग ने विपुल सर से बात की थी and we wanted to know what we should do, we were just thinking of doing something which is beyond my imagination. So we just worked on it. We didn't think about what others are doing, what these guys are planning to do, or what we've seen. We were just competing with ourselves in Commando 1, and I have a feeling we've done a much better job than Commando 1.
There is a lot of pressure. Even when you're making the fresh film, there is a pressure. And when you're making sequel, it becomes even more. Because now you have to meet certain kind of expectations that audience have from the film. And it's not easy. We see time and again that a lot of sequels don't do as well as they are expected to do. But when we got the script, when we knew what we were doing, when we knew what kind of action we were going to build into the film, only then, and that's why we've taken a couple of years to go into a sequel.
Well, I have to thank Devin sir because we did like a lot of workshops to get the accent right. But I've been doing movies in Hyderabad, so I've been there for a year. So on set, when I used to get bored, I like mimicking people. And I do this all the time on sets everywhere. But so I used to mimic the accent, the Andhra accent. And I think I learned a few of the little local terms that they use here and there. So when I got to play this, I did it entirely from my heart and through his heart and mine.
जॉन के साथ बहुत अमेजिंग बात क्या है मैम कि जॉन इज अ ह्यूज मैन एंड टाइगर हैज अ फेनोमेनल फिजिक ही इज लीन मैं उन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन हूँ तो दोनों चीजें करना बहुत मुश्किल है एक ह्यूज फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होता और फ्लेक्सिबल ह्यूज नहीं हो सकता है मगर मैं वो हूँ एंड जी हाँ हमने स्टैंडर्ड ऊपर ही करना है हम लोग आज ही मैं विपुल सर से बात कर रहा था कि ही आस्क्ड मी विद्युत हु रियली इंस्पायर्स यू सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट ABCD आजकल यूट्यूब की जनरेशन है देयर आर फिनोमिनल पीपल आप जाके देखिए ऐसे ऐसे अद्भुत लोग हैं यूट्यूब में वो लोग मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं ऐसी ऐसी चीजें मैं देखता हूं जैसे वो कांटे से पूरी फाइट कर लेते हैं वो खाने वाला कांटा सो देयर आर अमेजिंग इंस्पिरेशंस ओवर देयर एंड आई गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दोस पीपल
To add to her question, are you all set to dethrone Akshay?
No, it's a very wrong thing to even ask that question. You should never try to dethrone anybody. I will establish a new planet, I will establish a new country, but he should rule where he is.